Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen.
Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So today is Saturday. I'm starting my weekend vlog off here. I'm currently at the corner store because my son needs to get a white t-shirt, but we're on our way to my sister's birthday party. So she's just having like a little backyard seafood boil, probably some barbecue, that type of party. So it should be fun. I did stop by the liquor store. I don't know what she drinks, honestly, so I'm gonna show y'all what I grabbed because I really didn't know what to get. So I know she don't really like all that fancy stuff. Say hey.
Hi guys.
So I bought some Smirnoff. Hold that. And then I bought some effing. So just kept it pretty simple. You should never show up to a party empty-handed. And if you take a bottle to a party, don't try to take the bottle with you when you leave. That's so tacky. I ain't gonna vlog. You don't even know it. Alright y'all, so I'm at my sister's house. I'm in her room. She said don't put her on camera yet. Not yet. Look at Khalila. It's time for the turkey ladle. It's time. Come on, Jewel. Wait, excuse me. No, I'm gonna get copyright. It's my sister Jewel. Hello. Isn't she pretty? She be hiding out, y'all. And then here's the back. What is that? It's vodka.
It's some water.
Who's saying that?
Well, some fire water.
Right.
He ain't getting done.
The smallest one for me because I can't do these shots.
This one and that one.
Happy birthday to Keisha!
Blow the horn at the end. Oh, no.
Good morning. Today is Sunday. It is early in the morning. Well, it's not that early. It's probably like 6:30, 6:40. So I'm up, of course. I always wake up super early. I've actually been up, but I decided to come up front, get my Sunday vlog started. I'm getting ready to make myself a cup of coffee. I bought some new coffee from Amazon yesterday. I still have the box right here because y'all know I was over my sister's house yesterday, so when I came home it was here. So the coffee came in a set of 3. I want to try like all of them just to see which ones I like best. This one is really strong. I guess that's why it's called Intenso, because it is strong. But I like that. I don't mind that at all. I like being able to taste my coffee because y'all know I like to add creamers and caramel, milk and sugar. So this is fine. They look like this. I did have a cup last night and it was pretty good, so I'm gonna make some right now. I need to add some more water back there. Here's my coffee, and like I said, it is really strong. I usually just add sugar, almond milk, creamer, and caramel, but I don't have any almond milk left, so I just have creamer, sugar, and caramel, but it's still very strong, but it's good. Yeah. I also received some new hair in yesterday from Curly Me Hair, so thank you Curly Me Hair for sponsoring this portion of today's video. I want to say it's 2 units in here, but I'm not too sure, so let's open them up and find out. We have 2 units, but today I'll be using the Mongolian hair. This is a deep wave, 26 inches. This is the texture of their deep wave hair that I love. I needed a new one because I messed up my last one. So I needed a new one, but these curls are so pretty, so soft. And y'all know I've told y'all before about Curly Me Hair's lace. It's like the Swiss lace, so soft. So this one, it just lays perfect. So I'm gonna go and get my hair dye for this, and when you guys see me later on, this is the unit that I'll have on. So thank you again, Curly Me Hair, for sponsoring this portion of today's video. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and dye my unit. This time I'm gonna use Revlon Color Silk hair dye because they didn't have the texture and tone, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this one. So hopefully it works. So this is 10 Black. So this is how the hair looks. It's really pretty, and I do have some product on here. I put the Cantu Comeback Curl spray on here, so I always use that. But I like the dye. The dye worked pretty good. But yeah, y'all know this is one of my favorite curly looks. So I'll have all the information about this hair in the description box below. These are so cute. I want to say that these are like candle holders. They're so cute. So cute. Love that. This is cute too. I like this a lot. So pretty. This would be cute for my balcony. I love this. See how much it is. $34.99. That's not bad. I have my mask on, so I hope you guys can hear me, but it's really cute. So I told y'all that I wanted to buy a new wand curler, but I'm not too sure which one is the best. That was on sale for $22.49. I heard that the titanium was good. Is this one titanium? All right, we're gonna go with this one. All right, so let me show you guys really quick what I picked up from Target. Y'all know that I love, like, on the weekend, I like to wear my little graphic tees when I don't feel like dressing up. So I got this really cute Tupac graphic tee, and all of these t-shirts were $12.99. So I got this one right here. Really cute. I love Tupac, by the way. I got this Whitney Houston one. Really cute. And then, oh, I got this Guns N' Roses. And then I bought this pajama set right here. I've had my eyes on this pajama set for a while. The last time I went to Target, they didn't have the tops. They only had the bottom, so I didn't get it. But this time they had the top. So I got this top in an extra large and the bottoms in an extra large. I should have left these hangers. I hate these little small hangers. So I got the bottoms. I bought some of the Method hand wash. I finally bought another wand curler because y'all know I needed that. My probiotic gummies. And I'm gonna try the collagen gummies. And then a brow liner. And it has the spoolie on the other end. And that's everything that I picked up from Target. All right, y'all, so it is Sunday night, and I usually post my vlog on Sundays, but I have to wait for the hair company to send me the link, so I'm unable to post the video today. So you guys will get it tomorrow, which Mondays are not an upload day for me, but I'm gonna do it for y'all because y'all know I try to stay consistent. But girl, I was a whole videographer today, okay? I'm a videographer anyway when I do my own videos, but I helped my son shoot a whole video today. Girl, I was on it too. I was like pop, 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 drop, spit, okay? Spit, drop, pop, lock. So he have to edit that thing by itself, but I did the whole thing. Well, I ain't gonna say I did the whole thing, but I did help with his video, and I think it's gonna turn out pretty good once he put everything together. So I done put my eyelashes off. I just ate some seafood. We was watching a movie, The Informer, but then we had to pause it because we started talking. So we'll just watch it later on. So it's pretty late right now. It is, what time is it? It's 8:26, so it's pretty late. So you guys will be seeing this video Memorial Day. So happy Memorial Day. Hopefully, if they reach out to me with the links. But I'm still wearing the hair, of course. It's so pretty. Look at this. So cute. It's fully dry now, so it's kind of big, but I like it. So I'm just sitting here watching some YouTube. Congratulations to Chelsea. She's moving. If you guys didn't watch her video, y'all go check that video out. Y'all know she's moving to the ATL. Everything is official. Everything is done. Signed, sealed, and delivered. So she'll be moving July 1st, I think that's what she said. So yeah, I just finished watching that vlog. So now I'm getting ready to watch who? Also, I'm not too sure if you guys are on TikTok, but y'all know that I am on TikTok a lot lately, and I've seen something going around about some type of detox drink that's supposed to be really good for your skin. It's the pineapple skin and cucumber, so I'll probably do that a little bit later. And I'm gonna try, I think it also has something to do with weight loss, because y'all know I gained a lot of weight during quarantine. I'm trying to get this weight off, but it is slow, okay? It's a slow process. So I'm gonna try this this little detox water, and I'll let y'all know. I gotta look up the TikTok video again to see exactly what you're supposed to do. My husband keeps sending me TikToks. He be on TikTok too. But yeah, so I'll see you guys tomorrow.